Life is a race against time. It keeps reminding you to move forward. Sometimes we might accidentally forget something, but you don't need to spend extra time fixing it. All you need to do is open up ChowHUB. Let our smartphone control device do the job while you focus on something more important. Relax and keep going. The remote control is just the basic function. There's more. If someone visits you, you'll get a notification, and you can see who is in front of the door through Chow Bell, and even have a conversation with real-time video. Even if you're not home, you can still open the door at your convenience. Arranged schedules can change unpredictably at any time. You can't control when others arrive at your door, but you can control who has the authority to open it. In addition to daily family use, you can also share it with friends temporarily. No need to go home anymore just to open the door. Your family might arrive home at a different time than you'd planned. ChowHUB gives you peace of mind by letting you monitor your door with real-time images. You don't have to worry. We make sure everyone feels at ease. On important days, things often go wrong. But with ChowHUB voice control, you can focus on the important things ahead. Hey Siri, and get the job done perfectly. With the ChowHUB smartphone control device, no matter the time or location, peace of mind is just one tap away. Click, connect. Chow.